can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the general cryptocurrency market. The last 1 week has seen us dip back to extreme fear. Sentiment is down bad in the cryptocurrency market. Last month, we saw extreme fear. Last week, there was extreme fear. Yesterday, there was extreme fear. And right now, there's still extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. On a 24-hour time frame, we've seen some altcoins bouncing. It's the festive season. Happy holidays. What's next for the cryptocurrency market? On a monthly time frame, some early signs of life. But in general, a lot of altcoins are down 10, 20, 30, even as high as 40% over the last 1 month. We'll take a look at the general cryptocurrency market on a weekly time frame. Bitcoin, the king of the market, trades above $88,000. Bitcoin currently sits at its 100-week moving average. Ethereum trades above $3,000, around $3,030. Can Ethereum get to that $5,000 level? We'll take a look at Bitcoin dominance, total crypto market cap. Where is the market heading to before the end of 2025? We still have enough time for that relief rally we always talked about. We'll take a look at news stories going around the market, altcoin season. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Let's start with the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin. Bitcoin trades around $88,000. The Bitcoin has gotten to as high as $126,000 in 2025. It's been a wild ride for Bitcoin since the bottom came in 2022. We have been pumping. It's not been a straight line to the moon. We've been pumping, dumping. But in general, Bitcoin had a 700% increase in just over 1,000 days. But right now, market participants are very, very bearish, and just less than 60 days ago, we were singing Kumbaya as we're at all-time highs. For Bitcoin, Bitcoin is down around 29% from its all-time high. At its absolute worst, around $80,000, Bitcoin was down just around 36% from its all-time highs. Ethereum, the king of all coins, the cryptocurrency market, has not had enough shine in the sun like Bitcoin. Ethereum didn't rally up 700% from the bottom. From the bear market bottom for Ethereum that came in June of 2022, Ethereum was trading for $885 then. We have seen each year, though set a new all-time high. Ethereum got to as high as $4,955. Ethereum has pumped up by only 458%. Ethereum will good copy what Bitcoin had done and rally up by 700%. We should see ETH at some point in time, the nearest future, trading around the $7,000 level. Will that be possible? Will that happen anytime soon? If you look at Bitcoin dominance in the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin dominance currently sits at 59.6%. And one of the big believers in Bitcoin dominance dumping at the end of the cycle, and from depending on the perspective you're looking at it from, Bitcoin dominance has been dumping since the 16th of June 2025. Are we going to end the year with that big dump to goblin town? Hopefully so. I still believe we're still going to see a big decline in Bitcoin dominance. This time it's not different. It has always happened like that in the past. Why do we always see Bitcoin dominance decline at the end of a market cycle? Is that market participants go risks on. Altcoins pump, altcoins outperform Bitcoin, and a lot of people start selling their Bitcoin, run into the altcoin market. But the reverse is the case when the market is down bad. Right now, we're in extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. When market participants are scared, they run towards safety, and safety for us in the cryptocurrency market is Bitcoin. So as the extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, you're not going to see average market participants buying altcoin. They'll rather stack up on Bitcoin. Bitcoin is going to be here today, tomorrow, and forever. But just as I showed you guys earlier, Bitcoin has, from my own perspective, Bitcoin has had its own run over the last 3 years, and I believe the last leg of the market cycle, we see all coins outperforming Bitcoin. Right now, this extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, even though Bitcoin trades above $88,000, I expect greed to return slowly over the next few days and the next few weeks. If you look at what sentiment has done over the last 3 months, we saw the crypto market in greed, almost at extreme greed on the 5th of October 2025, and by the time we got to the 16th of November 2025, we were down in extreme fear. Such swift change in sentiment, the extreme, that's where the crowd is always wrong at, and right now the the sentiment in the cryptocurrency market says we're in extreme fear. Market participants are scared. I believe we're going to pump. Maybe we'll pump ending 2025. Maybe we'll pump starting 2026. One thing is sure, we can't continue going down forever. The market really has two ways it can go. We can actually pump to the moon, or we dump to gobbling town. And at some point in time in the nearest future, the sellers will get weak, the buyers will take over, the bears will get liquidated. Talking about the bears getting liquidated, in the past 24 hours, 118,000 traders have been liquidated. Total liquidation comes in around $194 million. The largest single liquidation order happened on Hyperliquid. The trader lost $3.26 million. And that's just on the average weekend. I expect liquidations to pick up over the next few days. I expect liquidations to pick up as we get into the week. How is Bitcoin performing in Q4? Bitcoin is still down bad in Q4. Bitcoin is down 21.92%. In Q4 of 2025, Bitcoin is down 26.7%. Ethereum is down 26.7% in Q4 of 2025. In December of 2025, Bitcoin has lost 1.52% of its value. Ethereum, on the other hand, has gained 1.48% of its value right now. Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, but market participants are not shouting kumbaya. They have not gotten the gist yet. So in the next few days, in the next few weeks, we're going to be hearing talks about how altcoin season, Ethereum is going to continue outperforming Bitcoin. And by the time the masses know that Ethereum is outperforming Bitcoin, usually that's the end of the rally for Ethereum against Bitcoin, which leads us to the chart for Ethereum's valuation against Bitcoin, which currently sits at 0.034 ratio. We've seen Ethereum outperform Bitcoin since April of 2025. Ethereum has rallied up by more than 91% against Bitcoin. In the coming days and coming weeks, we expect to see further upside for Ethereum against Bitcoin. How will that happen? We're still expecting Bitcoin dominance to dump. We're expecting the bears to get liquidated as we pump to the moon. Let's take a look at news stories going around the cryptocurrency market. A lot of bearish news have been making the rounds. Market participants have been saying crypto is dead. I'm giving up. I'm going to go to stables and nothing's going to ever happen. But guys, that's always what happens at the bottom. Market participants have apathy for the market. The game is to buy low and to sell high. But what's funny, when we are low, nobody wants to buy. When we are high, nobody wants to sell. Uniswap fee switch goes live as community vote set to pass. That will happen on 26th of December 2025. Migrating Bitcoin to post-quantum may easily take 5 to 10 years. That's one of the thought that's been going around over the last few weeks. That quantum computing is going to break Bitcoin and OGs are selling. Yes, OGs are selling because they bought at the bottom. OGs are selling their Bitcoin for a sweet profit. The market gave us more than a 6-month period where we could sell Bitcoin above $100,000. We're very, very close to the end of the market cycle. That's where it gets interesting. That's where altcoins start pumping. That's where we see market participants FOMOing back into the market. Right now, majority of the crowd is in stables. You expect them to rush back and FOMO into the market before the eventual dump to gobbling town begins. Bitcoin apparent demand shrinks, signals new bear market. That's what an analyst has to say. Crypto market isn't scared enough to call the bottom yet. That's what sentiment has to say. He says a lot of people are still optimistic about the market, and that's not a good sign for the bottom. He still believes we'll go lower. Other news stories are still pointing lower. Bitcoin RSI is near 3-year lows versus gold, as analyst says. Bullish comeback. IBT ranking 6th in 2025 ETF flows despite negative return is really a good sign. We saw Bitcoin ETF getting launched way back in 2024, and since then it's been up only for Bitcoin. We've seen Bitcoin get to new all-time highs, and right now IBT, that's BlackRock ETF, is the 6th highest ETF in 2025, which is good news. It means crypto is making giant strides forward. Bitcoin rally thwarted by fading rates cut odds softening. Bitcoin rally thwarted by fading Fed rate cut odds softening US macro. So market participants believe that till the Fed start pumping liquidity into the system, we're not going to see altcoins pumping. I stand against that. I believe naturally altcoins will pump. It's just a matter of time, which leads us to altcoin season. Right now we're not in an altcoin season. We're not even close to an altcoin season on a monthly time frame. We're in a Bitcoin month. Bitcoin is outperforming altcoins. The last 1 month has seen Bitcoin gain 2.6%, but the last 1 month has seen more than 75% of the altcoin market performing worse than Bitcoin. For us to see an altcoin season, we see altcoins outperform Bitcoin in a 3-month time frame. Bitcoin is down 20% for the last 3 months. The worst altcoins, is down 64% over the last 3 months. It will take a while for that to flip, maybe in January, maybe in February, but one thing is sure, by the time the altcoin season index starts telling us we're in altcoin season, the game might be over. We saw a little taste of altcoin season in September 2025, but the real rally started in August of 2025, and by the time market participants were waiting for altcoin season in September, OGs were already selling. Top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization is still relatively unchanged. Bitcoin is still the king of the market. Market cap of over $1.7 trillion. Bitcoin trades above $88,000. Cardano, Dogecoin, Tron, Solana, XRP, BNB, Ethereum. The usual suspect still holding on to the top 10 spots. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bitcoin, the king of the cryptocurrency market, trades at $88,000. Ethereum trades at over $3,000 total crypto market cap. It's just hanging around the $3 trillion region, sitting at the 100-week moving average. Are you optimistic for the next 7 days? Are you optimistic that we'll end the year on a strong note? Maybe pumping to new all-time highs, maybe getting a relief rally. Your thoughts about that in the comment section. Are you buying some altcoins? Are you expecting altcoin season? Happy holidays. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications, get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.